first tip is to start saving early. Saving money is a powerful habit that can set you up for financial success. Make it a priority to save a portion of your income, no matter how small. Even saving a few dollars each week can add up over time and provide a safety net for unexpected expenses or future goals. Tip number 2, set SMART financial goals. SMART stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Whether it's saving for a car, college tuition, or a dream vacation, setting clear and specific goals gives you direction and motivation. Break your goals down into smaller milestones and celebrate your progress along the way. Next, let's talk about budgeting. Creating a budget is a powerful tool for managing your money effectively. Track your income and expenses and allocate your money wisely. By understanding where your money is going, you can make informed decisions, control your spending, and ensure you're saving enough for your goals. Tip number 4, learn the art of delayed gratification. It's tempting to give in to instant gratification and spend your money on impulse purchases. However, learning to delay gratification and save up for something you truly want can lead to greater satisfaction and financial stability. Practice patience and prioritize long-term rewards over short-term pleasures. Let's talk about the importance of financial education. Take the time to educate yourself about personal finance. Read books, follow financial experts, and explore online resources. Understanding concepts like investing, compound interest, and credit will empower you to make informed decisions and take control of your financial journey. Tip number 6, be a savvy shopper. Before making a purchase, comparison shop, look for deals, and consider buying second-hand or pre-owned items. By being a conscious consumer, you can stretch your money further and make your budget work harder for you. Next, let's talk about earning money. Consider taking on part-time jobs, freelancing, or exploring entrepreneurial ventures. By earning your own income, you gain valuable work experience, learn important skills, and develop a strong work ethic. Plus, having your own money gives you a sense of independence and teaches you financial responsibility. Tip number 8, embrace the power of compounding. Start investing early, even if it's with small amounts. Compound interest can work wonders over time. By investing your money wisely, you can watch it grow exponentially, helping you achieve your financial goals faster and build long-term wealth.